Managing and securing secrets can be complex in a multi-cloud environment. This shift from static to dynamic infrastructure blurs the lines of your network perimeter and requires a different approach to security. If your team relies on legacy secrets management techniques like manual processes and hard-coded credentials, scaling within dynamic cloud environments can be a challenge. A secrets manager can help automate and govern access to applications, systems, and endpoints, and ensure that sensitive information doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Your secrets management strategy should include best practices like using automatic secrets rotation, encryption as a service, and dynamic secrets. This allows organizations to centrally manage and enforce access to secrets with identity-based security. Teams can also easily manage policies and deliver consistent security through a single workflow. By eliminating the need to manage multiple systems, organizations can reduce overhead and better control costs. HashiCorp Vault secures secrets across all infrastructure, including on-premises and cloud environments, from one centralized location. State-of-the-art cryptography and rich APIs help codify, protect, and automate access to data. This allows you to securely store and tightly control access to tokens, passwords, certificates, and encryption keys. These are just some of the ways adopting Vault as your organization's core secrets manager can help give you the security and flexibility you need to continue scaling your cloud operating model. Learn more about how to secure your organization at hashi.co/secret.